Ladles and jelly spoons, welcome back to Badgerworks. Today, this. Now, what is this? It's a frame, obviously from a kit, and the astute among you will recognise these as the wheels from our recent Supermarine Swift Kitbash build that we did. And these came from an AMT, I think it was AMT? No, Monogram, IndyCar, and they are covered in chrome, as you can see, and the chrome is awful and you can't paint it properly, and we don't want it. So today I'm going to show you how to get rid of chrome off of plastic parts. So let's get on with it. Right, now this is going to be a quickie. Stop laughing at the back. I've got here a plastic pot, suitable tub, and I also have, which is going to be difficult to get under the camera, a bottle of bleach. This is not anything expensive. It is the cheapest thin bleach I could find, which, from Asda. Just trying to get the safety cap off. So we'll put some of this in here. Don't need a lot. Not that much. Put the lid back on. And what we do is we take our frame and we put it in the bleach like that. And there's another wheel there, I'll put that in as well. And what we do is we just get a suitable pokey thing and just poke it down under so it's in the bleach like that. Oh, get out of there. That's gone underneath and that won't go down. And now what we do is just wait. Shouldn't take long. So just talk amongst yourselves for a minute. Right, now hopefully you can see that. I'll just change the camera angle. But you can see, and that's been in there for about 2 minutes. The chrome is basically dissolving into the bleach. So we'll just leave it, let it go for a little while. I've just put that pot on there to weigh it down, just so that I don't have to hold it. It doesn't do anything, it's literally just holding it down. So right, so time has passed. Quite a lot of time actually in this case. This is now actually the next day, and so it's taken quite a while. And how it's bleached the end of that stick. But you can see there are actually still some areas that have paint on them, and I'm actually kind of glad this happened, because I've seen comments from people in the past when I've talked about doing things like this, or other people have talked about doing things like this, and they say, oh, I tried doing this and it didn't work, you know, I left it in there for hours and nothing happened. Sometimes this technique doesn't work, and I'm not quite sure why, but I think it might have something to do with the age of the parts. I don't know. Every other one of these I've done has been from a newer model. And for example, I did the Volkswagen Beetle builds that I've done a couple of those, and they have like chrome bumpers and stuff, and I strip the chrome off of those, and it literally takes a minute. You put it in and you can just watch the silver disappear. It's incredible how fast it goes. This has been in here overnight, and you can see there's still some silver left on the frame, on the parts and so on. And I think it's to do with the age and the thickness of the paint. But it's one of those things. This is certainly a lot easier than it's the first thing to try. Anyway. So what I'm going to do now is take these out of here. I'm going to rinse them off in some water and dry them off. And then I think because of the way these wheels are attached to these frames, I'll probably just prime them on the frames. But I just wanted to show you this as a good first step. If you've got chrome parts for your models, and you want to strip the chrome off and paint them yourself, which is always a good idea, this is the first thing to try, usually. And in 99% of cases it will work fine. So yeah, hopefully this video has been of interest to some of you. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.